Good morning everyone, welcome back to the vlog. Welcome if you are new. My name is Alissa and this is moving vlog number 1. We're moving back to the US from the UK in 8 days. So very exciting. We're only bringing suitcases, which makes moving a little bit easier, but also a little bit last minute because we have all these suitcases and kind of nowhere to put them. So I'm starting with packing cubes and today we are starting with sweaters. You're going to be in my bedroom and I've got this fabulous packing cube here and we're gonna get started on the closet. I won't lie when I say I have not been taking care of my closet. It is a little crazy in there. Probably because I know I'm moving, but you know, you can just kind of close the door when you don't like the way it looks. So I'm gonna put all of these things away and start on some of these like cosmetic products that I have in here that I just know I'm gonna need to pack up and probably won't use, and then we'll start to tackle all the rest of this. How many black shoes does one person need? And the answer is never enough. I don't even think this is enough, but I gotta pack those away too. Gonna have some lunch. Austin ordered Thai food yesterday. By some miraculous miracle, the Uber driver was able to deliver the food. So I'm gonna have some delicious pad see ew, and then we're gonna head to Whole Foods to get some groceries because nothing around us is open today because of the carnival. It's good, Austin. Taking a little break, but here's my progress. We've got 2 bags for fall, and then these 2 back here for winter. And this one is just some toiletries, and then I put my little silk realization par dresses in the separate. I love packing cubes. They really just help organize, and then I'm going to take them upstairs once I finish air drying some of my clothes. We're officially 1 week out from the move, which is crazy. I just listed a bunch of things on Facebook Marketplace. That was my only job today that I had to do. So I took a bunch of photos around the house and then listed them. I'm hoping we can get people to come buy them this weekend because the landlord got back to us that she didn't want to buy anything. And we have this like inspection move out that literally like someone from the rental company comes, and then we also get a third-party person to inspect it, and we can't have anything because it'll be marked as debris, like not even houseplants, which makes me really sad because we have some really beautiful houseplants that I would love to leave here, but I digress. So trying to sell everything and trying to do as little waste as possible. I know most of you are following for moving, but I wanted to share a job update, which is that I did end up finding a job by some sheer miracle. But God does that for us, doesn't he? So I will be starting that job at the end of September. The timing worked out really well. The company is in an industry that I'm familiar with, so I had a little bit of an upper hand in the interview process, if you will. Everyone I met was amazing, but it was excruciatingly painful because I did about 5 interviews, like an hour long, in the course of 2 weeks. Would not say for the faint of heart. They were also all on the West Coast, so I was taking calls from like 6 to 8 o'clock at night every other day. And it was hard. It was hard, but we made it. It was well worth it. I'm so excited for this. I think it's going to be a good chapter for me. I'm feeling very grateful that we have that sorted out. It looks chaotic, but this is just a corner of the house. I told myself. This is a bag of donations, trash, and all of these bins were bins that I had in the closet. We also filled 1 suitcase with all of my fall clothes, which I was actually really impressed by. I was able to fit the packing cubes, multiple pairs of shoes, jackets, and get that squared away. And then I have this one here that I think I'm gonna do winter clothes for. So the plants are gone, as you can see. We've also had some fall leaves start to come. We had a big rain this morning, which was kind of a bummer, but the sun's out now, so we're happy about that. And then this is our suitcase corner, which is slowly piling up. We've got 4 here, and then I also have 3 up top that we still can use. Honestly, we don't even need 3, I think. I think we really only need 2 more, but for the ease of like weight distribution, we'll probably just bring them all. And then we also have the 2 ski bags up top. And then we also have our carry-ons I'm gonna pack this one because I can bring it since we're flying Delta, and then check this one. I'm gonna put a bunch of like supplements and some more like fragile things that I can just kind of mold with maybe like a coat or something in this one. And then obviously use the bigger ones for more. It wouldn't be a moving vlog without featuring some of Austin's amazing dinner. And tonight it's cacio e pepe. Let's try it. Also, first sweater of the season. It's cold today for whatever reason. It's really unflattering angle for myself, but whatever. And I just popped pimples. Just girly things. Very good. Well, we're starting to bring things down, and we realized that we calculated a lot of our things without the ski bag. But I think you can check the ski bag with the boot bag and it counts as only one bag versus two separate, but we're about to find out. So I'm about to pack this guy up with some winter clothes. Right, she's stuffed sausage to the brim. We also did one last load of laundry. It's coming together. It's coming together. It's coming together. It's a moving vlog and it's a food vlog. Two of my favorite things. Austin outdid himself today. Baba ganoush. Couscous I did make, but I made a little too much and I got a little sog city. And we picked up some beef kofta. This is the last of the summer tomatoes. Ready to eat up. Back from the movies. We went to see Materialists. It was an amazing movie. It was kind of like a modern day rom-com, which was really fun. And now Austin's making us a delicious steak dinner. We thought we'd treat ourselves to something a little bit fun throughout the packing because it looks so hectic in here. As I've shown you guys, just stuff everywhere. And we still have 2 more days. So gotta make it through, but I'm gonna screenshot some of Dakota Johnson's outfits in the movie because they were so good. Like, the woman was looking sharp and I was like, ooh, that's my inspiration for work. So the makeup, the hair, the outfits. Final dinner at Royal Crescent. How do you feel?
Like a dinosaur.
Dinosaur?
Yeah, my big bone.
Oh. I was like, why do you feel old? Yum. Holy heck, you guys. It is currently 11:45 on Sunday. And tomorrow we have the cleaners coming. So everything is done. We have suitcases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Austin has a ski bag up there. 10. We got the 2 boot bags. And then we've got our 2 personal carry-ons, and by some grace we did it. Well, welcome to our last day. We're packing up the house. Last time I'm ever going to see this view. We put everything back to its original location, and yeah, it's all done. It's all empty. Crazy. So weird if you think about living somewhere. We've moved all of our luggage downstairs. All that's left are just these ski bags, which are obviously difficult, and then our carry-on bags, and everything else is empty. It's crazy to think this is the last time we're gonna see this view.
In these also one cabin. Please make sure that your seats are fully upright.